Deep inside an unmarked fortified complex in Southeast Asia, 40 full-time mechanics work in rotating shifts. Their only job is to start, drive, and service thousands of ultra-rare vehicles that most people do not even know exist. The monthly air conditioning bill for this single facility could fund a mid-sized American town for a year. If you left a brand new supercar here today, it would likely be buried under dust and forgotten by tomorrow. This is not a dealership or a corporate warehouse. It is the reality of the world's most exclusive automotive vaults. Here, cars are no longer just transportation. They are sovereign assets, hidden history, and extreme wealth operating on a scale that defies imagination. Most people look at a $1 million hypercar and see the pinnacle of luxury. The ultra-wealthy see something else entirely. They see a mobile, highly liquid financial instrument that happens to run on high-octane gasoline. Over the last decade, high-end collector cars have quietly outpaced traditional investments. They occasionally yield far better returns than real estate or the stock market. But keeping these assets alive requires a brutal level of planning. It takes an operational infrastructure that resembles a secure military facility more than a standard garage. Consider the legendary, almost mythical empire built by the Sultan of Brunei. His collection encompasses roughly 7,000 vehicles, with a total value clearing $5 billion. This is not a garage. It is a sprawling automotive kingdom spread across 5 aircraft hangar-sized structures. Each building is strictly segregated by brand. Every room is kept under permanent climate control to protect delicate leather and prevent dry rot on 80-year-old rubber gaskets. The Sultan did not just buy cars off the showroom floor. During the 1990s, his family single-handedly kept elite European coach builders solvent by commissioning entirely custom fleets. He owns the Bentley Dominator, a custom luxury SUV built decades before Bentley ever thought about producing a production utility vehicle. He owns one-off Pininfarina-designed Ferraris that the public has never officially seen. This includes custom station wagons and sedans bearing the Prancing Horse badge. Many of these vehicles have fewer than 10 miles on the odometer. They sit in darkened rooms, assets frozen in time, waiting for a mechanic to take them on a mandatory weekly 5-minute exercise lap around a private tarmac track. Yet a bizarre logistics crisis looms over this $5 billion empire. Because hundreds of these cars have sat unused in tropical humidity for decades, many are slowly decomposing from the inside out. Mechanics speak of interior plastics melting into toxic residue. Custom electronics are failing because the original diagnostic computers no longer exist. It is a stark reminder that extreme wealth can buy any machine, but it cannot bribe the laws of physics. Other billionaires take a radically different approach. They reject raw volume. Instead, they treat cars as fine art, applying the same curation standards you would find at the Louvre. Imagine walking into an undisclosed estate in Bedford, New York. You find yourself standing on pristine black floors under dramatic museum lighting. The walls are stark white. There are no tools visible, no oil stains, and no clutter. This is the personal gallery of fashion icon Ralph Lauren. His collection is worth an estimated $950 million, but it contains only about 70 cars. Every single vehicle was chosen for its historical significance and aesthetic perfection. The crown jewel of this gallery is a 1938 Bugatti Type 57S C Atlantic. Only 4 were ever made. Today, only 3 exist. This single black coupe is valued at up to $100 million. It sits just a few feet away from a legendary Ferrari 250 GTO worth $70 million. Lauren does not view these as mechanical objects. He views them as moving sculptures. A dedicated team of detailers uses specialized air blowers and microfiber cloths to ensure not a single speck of dust settles on the paintwork. But maintaining a museum-grade collection involves a hidden financial labyrinth. Insuring a $90 million vehicle that actually gets driven on public roads requires bespoke underwriting. Insurance companies often dictate exactly how many miles a car can travel per year. They specify what route it must take, and even who is allowed to sit in the driver's seat. A single rock chip on the highway can instantly erase millions of dollars in equity. True automotive obsession does not always wear a tuxedo, though. Sometimes it wears denim and spends its weekends covered in grease. Travel across the country to a series of hangars at the Hollywood Burbank Airport. This is the Big Dog Garage, the domain of Jay Leno. His collection is valued between $50 million and $100 million. That is modest compared to a sovereign royal family, but its complexity is unmatched. Leno does not buy cars for status. He buys them because he is obsessed with engineering history. His garage features roughly 180 cars and 80 motorcycles. You will find a 1934 Duesenberg Walker Coupe, the only aerodynamic coupe ever built by the legendary brand. Right next to it sit operational steam-powered cars from the early 1900s. He even maintains a blast furnace-powered Chrysler turbine car from 1963. Leno employs a full-time fabrication team equipped with industrial 3D printers and advanced CNC machines. When a part breaks on a 100-year-old steam car, you cannot order a replacement online. The team must reverse engineer the broken component. They recreate it in digital software and manufacture a brand new part from raw metal. The labor cost alone to keep these historical artifacts running would bankrupt most enthusiast drivers. This highlights the hidden divide in the billionaire car community. On one side are the investors who lock cars away in nitrogen-filled bubbles, waiting for capital appreciation. On the other side are the mechanical purists who believe a car dies if it is not driven. Lately, a new breed of collector has emerged. Private hedge fund managers and tech founders are treating hypercars like venture capital portfolios. They focus heavily on modern, limited-run exotics from brands like Pagani, Koenigsegg, and Bugatti. These manufacturers cater directly to this elite tier by offering bespoke customization programs. A buyer can spend an extra $1 million just to choose a unique weave pattern for the exposed carbon fiber bodywork. This customization is not just about vanity. It creates a paper trail of absolute exclusivity. A standard production supercar will depreciate the moment it leaves the dealership. A one-of-one, highly customized hypercar frequently doubles in value the moment it is delivered. These buyers trade build allocations like tech stocks. They flip build slots to other billionaires who are desperate to skip a 3-year waiting list. The physical spaces housing these modern portfolios are architectural marvels. Many are built entirely underground. They feature biometric security systems, advanced fire suppression that avoids water damage, and air filtration units that remove trace moisture. Some collectors have even installed rotating glass platforms in their living rooms. This allows them to view a $30 million racing prototype while sitting at the dinner table. Ultimately, these elite collections represent the ultimate expression of human passion, blended with extreme financial power. Whether it is a forgotten royal fleet decaying in the tropics, a pristine art gallery in New York, or a working engineering lab in California, these garages are modern monuments. They are places where history, art, and mechanical genius are preserved, guarded, and valued far beyond their weight in gold.